Once upon a time there was an engineer. Choo-choo Charlie was his name, we hear.
Morning, Mike. It ain't RBI Radio. And I forgot about these tracks here in Vermilion. And we're going to see what this is. Norfolk Southern. This happens to be going to Lorain, Ohio. I do know that. Sorry I couldn't get up here closer to the tracks, but it's the way it goes sometimes. Yeah, I kind of thought this was Norfolk Southern over there from years ago from Lorain, Ohio. But I wasn't sure because it's been many years. And there she goes. Anyway, we're going to catch some more and add to this video today. And if you look over here, got another set of tracks over there, the bridge going across the Vermilion River. We're going to catch one going across there eventually. So we'll catch you back though when we're ready. This is Mike at 8 RBI. Okay, we're back again. We have a westbounder. BNSF. Kind of a shorty there, but I'll tell you what, we'll be back with you again. We're going to see if we can get some more here. As you can see, you got the Vermilion River down there. And it's also going right across, so we'll be back with the next one. Back again. Now we're at the other crossing. This one's going eastbound. This camera zoom really stinks. Sorry, I can't get up closer because the other set of tracks is right behind me and I have to run back and forth here. Kind of a strange sight. And there she goes. As you see, I turn around and you can see the trestle over there, so I had to run back and forth. But we're going to stick around a little while here and see what else comes up. Okay, back again. Got an eastbounder coming. Norfolk engine and a BNSF. We got a bunch of tank cars, it looks like. Sounds like some flat spots over there. And a DPU. Well, now what do we got? We got two eastbounders on the one set of tracks and a westbounder here and another eastbounder behind me. Well, maybe that might wrap it up. You know what? I'm thinking about going over to Lorain. There's a real big bridge across the Black River. We'll check it out. Hey, give these women and men and women of the railroads a thumbs up. They help keep America moving. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. With that, this is Mike, N8RBI Radio. We'll be back with the next one. Maybe from Lorain. We see ya. Hey, back at you again. Just about to leave the area and I found another spot. Same bridge over the river. got a bridge over here too, crossing the highway. So, see the great state flag here of Ohio. But at least we got a quick shorty on that one. Yeah, Mike N8 RBI Radio. We're gonna head over to Lorain and see what's going on. Catch you on the next one. Okay, back at you again. I'm going down the road and I thought I'd come over here to this old place, High Bridge Street, or High Bridge Road. Still around Vermilion. So I thought I'd catch a shot on top of the bridge, and what luck. I'm looking through this through a wire grating fence area here. Oh boy, I smell the diesel fumes. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Might be too intoxicated to drive home. I do see the end way, way down there. Probably won't see it. See, if I zoom this in differently, you're going to see the chain link fence that I'm trying to film this through. Probably should have moved over, but you got a big old tree branch over front. I wanted to at least get something different here. There she goes. As you can see, you got a bunch of wire grating on this bridge. It's a shame they have to put it up here because people come up here and they throw shut the trains. Don't understand people sometimes, but they do it. They think it's a cheap thrill and fun. Hey, give a thumbs up for these people on the railroad though. Men and women, they work hard to keep America moving. Give me a thumbs up on the channel here too, and share, like, and subscribe here, please. Helps pay the gas. Check out Jawtooth's channel too. With that, Mike N8 RBI Radio. We'll catch you on the next one. Probably in Lorain. 8 RBI Radio. We'll be at Lorain, Ohio at the High Lift Bridge. Well, I thought maybe a train's coming. Looks like we got a high rail truck. Looked like he stopped right before the bridge or in the middle. Darn, I hope I was catching a train here, but... Come on, you stupid zoom. And this thing acts flaky. But as you can see, that's the bridge going over the Black River here in Lorain, Ohio. Got somebody grinding on some metal back behind me. Sounds like my shop. Or get track crews out looking around at stuff. No telling how long they'll be there. Stand by for a minute. Okay, looks like they're on the move. Come on. Thank you for what you do for us. You keep America moving. He's waiting to go across there, and this would be Colorado Avenue, by the way, if you're wondering where we're at in Lorain, Ohio. Got a helicopter up there going. And there he goes. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up here. Thought I'd catch a train coming through here, but hey, I got a high rail truck. Yeah, just checking the tracks over by the bridge over the Black River. So, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. And also, respect the men and women of the railroads that keep America moving. With that, this is Mike, N8RBI Radio. We'll see you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up.